Good morning, everyone. I'm back again. So, as usual, in the series of teaching learning process, we are discussing about writing skill, and there are a variety of topics in your writing skill. And today, I am going to discuss, as usual, in your last video, I discussed about the invitations and replies, in which I discussed and already told you about there are two kinds of invitations: first formal and second informal. Along with this study, I am going to tell you about the instructions of how to write informal invitation. But before that, I just want to guide you properly, students, so that later you will not find any kind of excuse, sir. We don't understand in which manner we have to write the formal invitation. So, as usual, for giving you a complete guidance in the series of teaching learning process of the formal invitation, I have recently written the complete format in which manner you have to follow the instructions, and then you can prepare a proper formal invitation, such as you can just observe through this video. This is the formal invitation which you always receive at your home from your near and dear ones, your neighbors, for a different kind of ceremonies. So this is all about the annual function which is going to be held in school. So in which manner, in the same manner, you can write all the instructions and make a complete formal invitation. If you receive such kind of invitation from any side of the school, there will be such varieties of things related to the material of formal invitation. Now you can also watch. You can also the principal, staff and students of Indian High School, Dubai request your Bengal presence on the occasion of 60th annual function of the school on 5th September 2020 at 10 a.m. in the school auditorium. Shri Dayanand Sihar, DEO, Honorable District Education Officer, Fatehabad, will be the chief guest and will give away the prizes to all the meritorious students. And another one thing, at last what you have to write, RSVP. And another one thing, principal, name of the school also, which principal of the school, which school here it is mentioned, the Indian High School. Indian High School. So this is all about the formal invitation which you always receive. So student, I mean to say कि मैंने आपको एक कंप्लीट फॉर्मेट दिया है बेटा कि आप किस तरह से वो एक पूरा का पूरा सिस्टम है, एंड इट हैज आल्सो इक्वल 4 मार्क्स. ये आपका ऑप्शन में आएगा एग्जाम में, जिसमें आपका नोटिस होता है बच्चे, एडवर्टाइजमेंट होती है और इन्विटेशन होता है. पोस्टर जो है वो रिवाइज हो चुका है, डिलीट हो चुका है. तो इन तीनों में से तीनों की तीनों आप अच्छे से रेडी कीजिए, ताकि जो भी दो आए उनमें से एक आप प्रॉपर वे से कर सकें. तो इसी वजह से कि आप बाद में कोई एक्सक्यूज फाइंड आउट नहीं करें बच्चे, कि आप बाद में एक्सक्यूज फाइंड आउट करते हैं, सर हमें समझ नहीं आया था. तो बेटा ये पूरा का पूरा फॉर्मेट है. आपके पास स्टडी मटेरियल भी होगा, हेल्प बुक भी होगी, नहीं है तो आप यहाँ से एक से अनेक बना सकते हैं. थोड़ा सा गाइडेंस, थोड़ी सी वोकैबुलरी और थोड़ा सा कंपोजिशन अगर आपका अच्छा है, a bit the things all you have, then you can definitely prepare or draft the formal invitation. So now I am going to tell you about the instructions for informal invitation. So which the instructions you have to follow for the informal invitations I am going to tell you right now. So at this moment I am discussing about informal. So first the thing you have to follow. Number 1, write an informal invitation. Write an informal invitation. Write an informal invitation in the form of a personal personal or informal letter, or informal letter. First instructions you have to follow, you the guys, the people. Now the second instructions, choose a simple, and elegant, choose a simple and elegant letter pad for the invitation, invitation. Next one, write in simple, cheerful and positive tone. At this moment, I am writing down all the instructions which you have to follow in the drafting system of informal invitation. Next, fourth point, feel free to write the invitation, feel free to write the invitation in the first person, in this manner, I, we, and another thing, and you. I, we, and you. Now the fifth point, use contracted forms, of words whenever necessary, to make the tone more personal and conversational, and conversational. Next, sixth point, choose the setting of an informal, or personal letter, which may be in the form of block letter, or modified block letter. Next, seventh, include your address, date. Next one, salutation, body of the invitation letter, closing, comma, signature, and name as appropriate, in an informal letter. So now I have recently told you, for your kind information, students, 7 instructions I have given recently to you all, and then you can watch through this chalkboard. Concentrate and carefully and listen the instructions carefully, and you have to follow all these. You have to follow all these instructions at the time of writing informal invitation. Today I have told you about the informal invitations instructions, in which manner you have to follow whenever you write the informal invitation. All these instructions you have to follow. But before that, I recently told you about the complete format, how it will be get ready if we write the formal invitation for any occasion, for any event. So next video you have to wait. Thank you.